Hey everyone, and welcome to Bhopal. This vibrant city, often referred to as the City of Lakes, is a fascinating blend of history, culture, and modernity. Nestled in the heart of India, Bhopal offers a unique experience that captures the essence of both the old and the new. This awesome city is right in the middle of India, making it a central hub for travelers and explorers. Its strategic location has made it a melting pot of various cultures and traditions over the centuries. And it's a place where the past is still very much alive. The city is dotted with historical monuments and ancient architecture that tell tales of its rich and diverse history. From the grand palaces to the intricate mosques, every structure has a story to tell. Bhopal is known for its cool history, different cultures, and beautiful scenery. The scenic views of the city, with its lush greenery and serene lakes, provide a perfect backdrop for cultural events and festivals that are celebrated with great enthusiasm. It's like a mix of old and new all in one place. The contrast between the modern buildings and the historical sites is striking, showcasing the city's ability to embrace change while preserving its heritage. Come with us as we explore the busy streets and peaceful lakes of Bhopal. The bustling markets are a shopper's paradise, offering everything from traditional handicrafts to modern fashion. Meanwhile, the tranquil lakes provide a serene escape from the city's hustle and bustle, and discover what makes it so special. As the sun sets over Bhopal, the city transforms into a magical place, with its iconic landmarks illuminated against the night sky. Join us on this journey to uncover the hidden gems and vibrant life of Bhopal. Our journey starts way back when kings and queens ruled. These were times of grandeur and opulence, where the rulers were not just political figures but also patrons of art, culture and architecture. Their reigns were marked by the construction of magnificent palaces, temples and forts that still stand today as a testament to their legacy. The Nawabs of Bhopal, with their fancy palaces and luxurious lives, were the big shots here. They were known for their sophisticated tastes and their contributions to the cultural and social fabric of the region. The Nawabs were not just rulers, but also visionaries who brought about significant developments in the city. Their palaces, adorned with intricate designs and lavish interiors, were symbols of their power and influence. You can still see their influence in the city's buildings. It's like taking a trip back in time. Walking through the streets of Bhopal, one can witness the blend of Mughal and European architectural styles that the Nawabs favored. The old city, with its narrow lanes and bustling markets, offers a glimpse into the past, where every corner has a story to tell. But history has its ups and downs. In 1984, a terrible accident happened in Bhopal, reminding everyone about the dangers of not being careful with industrial stuff. The Bhopal gas tragedy was one of the world's worst industrial disasters, causing immense loss of life and long-term health issues for the survivors. The tragedy left a deep scar on the city and its people, serving as a grim reminder of the potential consequences of industrial negligence. But you know what? Bhopal is tough. It rose from the ashes, stronger than ever. The resilience of its people is truly inspiring. Over the years, Bhopal has transformed itself into a vibrant and thriving city. The community came together to rebuild and heal, turning their pain into strength. Today, Bhopal stands as a symbol of hope and perseverance, with modern infrastructure, educational institutions, and a growing economy. The spirit of Bhopal is a testament to the enduring human spirit that refuses to be defeated. Bhopal is a place where different religions come together like instruments in a band, creating a beautiful harmony. The Taj-ul-Masjid, one of the biggest mosques in India, shows the city's Islamic heritage. Close by, you'll find old Hindu temples that have been around for ages. And you can even hear church bells ringing, reminding us of the Christian community. In Bhopal, everyone's welcome, and that's what makes it so cool. Bhopal is often called the City of Lakes, and for a good reason. The upper lake is huge and stretches as far as you can see. It's so peaceful and calm, with the sky reflecting on the water. And right in the middle of the city is the lower lake, surrounded by gardens and walking paths, perfect for a relaxing stroll. Let's head to the center of Bhopal, where amazing buildings tell stories of the past. This city, known for its rich history and vibrant culture, is a treasure trove of architectural wonders. As we explore, you'll see how the old and new blend seamlessly. creating a unique tapestry that is both captivating and enlightening. From bustling markets to serene lakes, Bhopal offers a glimpse into the heart of India. The Taj-ul-Masjid, with its tall towers and shiny white domes, is a sight you won't forget. This grand mosque, one of the largest in India, stands as a testament to the city's Islamic heritage. Its intricate architecture and serene ambience make it a must-visit. As you walk through its vast courtyards and gaze up at the towering minarets, you'll feel a sense of awe and reverence. The mosque is not just a place of worship, but also a symbol of the city's historical and cultural significance. We'll walk through Gohar Mahal, where the Begums of Bhopal used to live. This beautiful palace, built in the 19th century, showcases a blend of Hindu and Mughal architecture. As you wander through its grand halls and intricately designed rooms, you'll get a glimpse into the opulent lifestyle of the royal family. The palace, with its stunning views of the upper lake, is a perfect example of the city's rich architectural heritage. Every room has a story to tell. From the lavishly decorated chambers to the beautifully crafted furniture, each element of Gohar Mahal speaks of a bygone era. The palace is not just a historical monument, but a living museum that offers a window into the past. As you explore, you'll discover tales of love, power and intrigue that shaped the history of Bhopal. Then we'll visit the Bhopal Museum, full of old objects that give us a peek into the city's history. The museum houses a vast collection of artifacts, ranging from ancient sculptures to traditional textiles. Each exhibit tells a story of the city's rich cultural heritage. As you walk through the museum, you'll get a deeper understanding of Bhopal's past and its journey through the ages. The museum is a treasure trove of knowledge, offering insights into the art, culture and history of the region. And just a short trip away is the Sanchi Stupa, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and an important symbol of Buddhism in India. This ancient monument, built by Emperor Ashoka in the 3rd century BCE, is a marvel of Buddhist architecture. The stupa, with its intricate carvings and serene surroundings, is a place of peace and reflection. As you walk around the stupa, you'll feel a deep sense of connection to the past. The Sanchi Stupa is not just a historical site, but a spiritual journey that offers a glimpse into the teachings of Buddhism. Bhopal is always moving and growing, but it never forgets its roots. Smart people from all over India come to study at places like IISER and the National Judicial Academy. The tech world is booming here, with new tech parks popping up everywhere, and even the traditional businesses are finding new ways to succeed in Bhopal. You can't visit Bhopal without trying the amazing food. It's a mix of Mughal and Rajput cooking styles with incredible flavors and spices. Let's check out the busy food markets like Chowk, where you can find all sorts of yummy treats. From the flavorful biryani to the sweet jalebi, Bhopal has something for everyone. Bhopal has a tropical climate, so it's warm and sunny most of the time. Summers can get pretty hot, but then the monsoon season arrives, bringing much-needed rain and turning the city green. And when winter comes around, the weather is cool and perfect for exploring. Bhopal is constantly changing, blending modern stuff with its old charm. You'll see sleek new buildings standing tall next to ancient monuments. It's pretty cool. New roads and bridges make getting around easy, and there are plenty of parks and green spaces to relax in. Getting to and from Bhopal is a breeze. The Raja Bhoj Airport connects the city to major places in India. There are also tons of buses that are easy on the wallet. And guess what? They're even planning to build a metro system, making Bhopal even more connected. Well, our adventure in Bhopal has come to an end. We're amazed by this awesome city and its unique blend of old and new, nature and city life, and different cultures living together peacefully. With its historical places, beautiful lakes and growing infrastructure, Bhopal is a must-visit in central India. Thanks for exploring Bhopal with us.